Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can change the region or country on Instagram. So for that, open up your Instagram, and after that go to your settings, click on setting, then click on account, and then switch your account to a professional account or a business account. Only then you will be able to set a new address to your profile. After that, click on edit profile, and here you will see this option of contact options. Just click on it, and here you will see this option of business address. Just click on it and set your address as per your preference. You can change the city or your country, whatever you feels right for your profile, and that's how you do it. And the best way to change address on Instagram is by getting the SIM card from a country that you want your Instagram profile to change into. And that's the best way. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.